Data is increasingly at the core of any business or organization and is fueling new digital transformation initiatives. Data runs nearly every aspect of a company, from customer and employee engagement to product and service development to operations. Underlining the strategic importance of data, a recent IDC global study of 800 organizations revealed that 47% had a chief data officer. To remain competitive in today's disruptive business climate, organizations must break down data silos and provide data services to achieve faster insights, business value, and oversight, especially as data becomes more distributed, dynamic, and diverse. With data at the center of business operations, data availability has never been more essential. Data availability is one of the several elements in an effective and holistic data management strategy. IDC interviewed organizations supporting data backup and recovery environments with Veeam software and NetApp storage hardware to understand the value of a combined approach. These organizations reported making data backup and recovery operations substantially more effective, thereby limiting the operational and business risk associated with data-related incidents. Further, these organizations are leveraging Veeam and NetApp to make their environment more cost-effective to deploy and operate, with several organizations taking advantage of the integration to support operations such as development, which hasn't traditionally been associated with backup and recovery environments. The result? A strong value from their investment in Veeam software and NetApp storage hardware. IDC projects this value at $31,642 per 100 users per year, or $2.32 million per organization over 5 years. That's a 5-year ROI of 286%. The benefits described to IDC include enabling more effective and timely data backup and recovery efforts to reduce risk and costs associated with these activities. Also, reducing the cost of data-related outages in terms of lost user productivity and revenue. Also, minimizing the staff time required to manage and support data backup and recovery environments. And finally, optimizing the cost of storage hardware through longer lifespans and improved data deduplication and compression capabilities. For the full story on how NetApp and Veeam's strategic partnership is delivering intelligent data management for the hyper-available enterprise, download the IDC white paper, The Business Value of Using Veeam and NetApp to Reduce Data-Related Risks, sponsored by Veeam.